Hi guys, it's Thomas from What Thomas Says Media, and this video we are talking posters. Okay, before we get into this video, I would like to invite you to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel here. All of it is at What Thomas Says, and please help me with my socials and everything and help grow everything that I have going on. I have a lot of projects, a lot of clients, and a lot of upcoming things that I would like to bring to you all, and growing my channel is going to help me grow my business, and then it's going to help grow my opportunities. So thank you all for helping with that, and I definitely appreciate it. So like I said in the beginning, we're going to be talking posters. I have been printing and making framed images for, I'd say, about 5 years or so, and I've gotten better and better. Now I kind of have it kind of convenient because my website, they frame and do prints third party. If you book with me, you have the option to get your pictures framed. You can get canvas, you can get metal frame, you can get regular just picture frame, and today I'm going to be framing a regular picture. I have made the decision to go to Bethune-Cookman University in the fall. I'm going to be studying visual arts, and I went to their spring game so I can go ahead and start with some of my networking. I met some of the photographers, met some of the football players, and it was a great day. So one of the things I did while the game was going, I actually took my drone up and I took some pictures of the stadium, and I would like to get drone pictures and videos of further stadiums, not only just with my school, but other places. So I've been, so with that, I have been printing some of those images to use as wall art, and wall art is very, very popular now, and it's also very expensive, but I do have some cheaper options to get your wall art done. Like I said, my website is a third party and they do some beautiful, beautiful work, but I'm going to show you what I personally do myself when I frame. So I go and get my frames at a few different stores around. Today I'm going to be framing a 16 by 20 image. So this is how it comes out of the store. It's has plastic on it, and it's not a glass frame. It's a it's like a plastic hard cover on it, so you don't have to worry about dropping and fracturing and breaking it or anything like that. Now, there are pros and cons with it, just like everything in life. One of the pros is that it's cheaper, it's lighter, and it's easier to transport. But however, the glass ones are really nice and the quality is just really, really good. So it just depends on what you want to, which route you want to go. Sometimes you can save half the price getting a frame like this as opposed to like a glass frame. So anyways, what I normally do is when I get ready to frame, I obviously will make sure the size and the dimensions are right. So I personally will frame a 12 by 18, 18 by 24, or a 24 by 36. This frame is a 16 by 20. So it's a different size than what I'm normally used to framing. But the reason why is because I ordered my image off of Shutterfly. And Shutterfly ran, and they run a lot of promotions for pictures and stuff. So their promotion that they currently were running was a free 16 by 20 frame. So I was like, you know what? Since I have that image of the stadium, I would really, really love to get that get that frame. So that is what today's video is going to be about. So I am going to remove all the plastic and the paper. As you can see now, there's no paper on it. I'm going to remove the back encasing on this frame, and most frames have these tabs on the back of it, and these tabs you just basically just fold up and down, and that releases the back part of the frame. So this one has 3 on the bottom, so I fold these 3 down, 3 on the side, 3 on the top, and then 3 on the other side. I'm sorry, this one actually has 4. This one has 4 on the sides. I missed one when I was taking them out. So all of them are unfolded. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's all black. So you basically can just take it from one of the tack hangers after all of them are folded out, and it should release and let you pull the frame out, or at least the back casing, I should say, out. Sometimes it's a little tricky getting them out, but it's a really easy process. And it's like the back part of the frames, I mostly use are cardboard, so it comes off just like that. And the image that you see in the front is usually like a sheet of paper. So here is the sheet of paper. I normally keep it inside and I just basically just turn it around. So I usually will let the white part face, so you just can't see through the actual frame. So here it is, framed with the plastic on the top, on the front, as I spoke about earlier. And behind me is my photo image that I printed. I got it framed with Shutterfly, like I said. They had a free 16 by 20 image that you can get. So I haven't even seen it yet. So this is going to be like an unboxing in a sense of my South Daytona Stadium drone image. So it's in a roll like this. And once again, it comes in a nice box like that. And the image is wrapped in plastic to protect it, so it won't get wet or any kind of like dust or anything on it. And so open it up now, and voila! Oh wow, that is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful image. That's the picture of South Daytona Stadium. Wow, that is like such great quality. You know, sometimes as a photographer, you just look at your work or your art, and sometimes you amaze yourself, you know, just not only just how nice of an image something is, but like, you know, how far you've came as an artist. And I do it all the time, you know. So anyways, here is the frame, here's the picture, and you just basically just put the picture inside of the frame, as so. So now I have the image inside the frame. And like I said, I take the colored part and I face it the other way just so it doesn't blend with the image. So I have the colored part on one side and then the other side is the image. And then you just basically just revert the process that you did when you took it apart. And here's my black cardboard part. I'm going to line that up here. So that'll be the back of the image. And then also too, depending how you're gonna hang it up, you have these wall hanging tabs that go on the tack or the screw or whatever you're gonna hang it up with. Make sure before you fold the tabs back down that it aligns to how the picture is gonna look on the front. So I'm gonna be hanging it up landscape like this. And I just want to make sure that the tab is right there. So that's perfect. So all you're going to do is just like I did before, fold these tabs down. There's 4 on the top, 3 on the side, 3 on the side, and 4 on the bottom. So there you have it. I have my 16 by 20 framed. This is going to go in my bathroom. In my bathroom, I have a sports theme going on. So since I got so much stuff for Bethune so far, since I made that my school of choice, this is going to go right in there. So I'm going to hang this up and I will show you all what it looks like hung up on the wall, excuse me. And yeah, while I'm thinking about it, this image, you can purchase this and get this you can get it framed with my shop. I will put the link down below in the comment section. So if you would like to buy this drone picture of the stadium or any other pictures that I got of the spring game, they're available for purchase. So let's go ahead and take a look to see what it looks like on the wall. All right, Guys, we're inside my bathroom, and here's one of the frames that I have hung up in my bathroom. On this side I don't have anything yet, and on this side I don't have anything yet. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang this 16 by 20 frame directly on top of this one here. So it'll be a nice looking view when you're either standing up to do your business or you get ready to sit down and do your business right here in front of the toilet. So let's see how it looks after it's hung up. Okay, and here is the frame hung up. It's right on top of the other frame I told you about, and it's right on top of my commode. So when you walk into the bathroom, you walk in, you'll see my collage of the pictures that I took of Bethune so far at the spring game, and then right on top of it is the 16 by 20 frame. Beautiful, beautiful looking piece. And like I said, it's available for purchase if you want to purchase on my website, and I will include that link there. So thank you all again for watching my framing video. I will be doing more videos and stuff when I do other frames and stuff. I have framed a ton of frames for people, and I don't know, want to start doing more of the frame to show what I can do for clients and prospective clients and people that just want to just buy my artwork and stuff. So anyways, thank you all for watching this video. Once again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please follow me on my socials. It's been a pleasure. It's been an honor. I have so many things upcoming that I'm looking forward to shooting, recording, and bringing to you all. So thank you. I really appreciate it. Catch you on the next one.